So we met with one of the advisors from Business Wales, went to a couple of workshops, started really learning about the tendering process, put ourselves on to sell to Wales, and that's really sort of a platform for us now for when we put out the tenders. So we've had a lot of support in growing confidence really to go out there and bid for some of these contracts.
Brilliant. So glad to hear that you've had that kind of support from Business Wales now. From the supplier side, what do you feel is the biggest hurdles or issues you experience?
I think it's the experience of writing tenders. You know, I think if one of the things that we've learned is be very specific in your tender writing. You know, answer the questions that need to be answered. Don't do anything that you shouldn't be doing, because you know the people evaluating them need to go through that, get that information. They want the information that they've asked for, not anything else. So it's a lot of time. It's a lot of work goes into writing the bids, and I think that's probably the hurdle. It's people might look at things and think, oh, I might bid on that, you know, and then realise how much time it is to put the process. But definitely with the support, it's well worth doing.